Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you because this video is related to Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, Infosys training exam rejection criteria. So many candidates asked this query in the comment section as well as on the Instagram DMs. क्या पॉसिबिलिटी रहती है कि ट्रेनिंग एग्जाम में हम अगर मतलब अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते हैं. Okay, if the performance is not good in the training exam, so they reject immediately or not, और क्या rejection criteria रहता है. And one of the most important point, this is for the 22 to 2019 batch, and there is another update that is from the Cognizant, there is a mail update from the Cognizant team. So that mail update is for the 22 batch or for the 23 batch. So this video is very helpful for all of you. Let's start the video. Before starting, on our channel Online Learning, we provide the latest opportunities updates, so please check that. If you not check this video, so must watch this video, okay, before checking this complete video, because in this video I explained all the important point that is related to joining, onboarding and rejection criteria. Okay, one of the most important point at my at the time of my training, okay, when I start my Infosys training, so they just mentioned that there is a FA1 examination, FA2 examination, or there are some of the other examination. But one of the most important point, they also mentioned that there are some of the chances, okay, you need to clear in some of the chances or some of the attempt, okay, like there is a 3 to 4 attempt, okay, so they will give you attempt according to the stream and the requirements. One of the most important point, अगर आपने ये attempts को clear नहीं किया, so they will reject you, okay, they will directly reject you because you not meet the particular examination criteria that is mentioned by the Infosys team. But this is not the 10th, 12th and graduation examination criteria. This is just related to your training, okay, इन द ऐसी ट्रेनिंग जिसमें आपने सारी चीजें पढ़ी हो, ठीक है, स्ट्रीम से रिलेटेड ट्रेनिंग. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, द स्ट्रीम ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So I already previously suggested all of you, like you have to prepare for your training as well, because the onboarding and joining phase is September to December for all of the MNC, and training exam is very important. If you are preparing, if you are waiting for any of the MNC, okay, if you are waiting for Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, so एक चीज ये रहती है. And the rejection criteria is, what is the rejection criteria? The rejection criteria is if you not fulfill eligibility criteria that is mentioned by the particular MNC. Okay, if you have any of the other gap criteria or backlog criteria, so they will reject you immediately. But one of the most important point, this is related to the rejection criteria. Okay, so the next update is from the Cognizant team, that is related to the particular examination. So they just mentioned that, dear candidate, you have been invited to take the Cognizant campus hiring communication assessment, and the duration is same as 45 minutes. So one of the most important point, this is not for the 22 batch, because already they mention in the image form and they already mention in the mail that this is the campus hiring 2023. And one of the most important point, if you are from 2023 batch, so there are some of the hirings are ongoing, and some of the Telegram groups are sharing about that hiring, like this is the hiring for the 23 batch. But one of the most important point, this hiring is not for all of the candidates, not for the off campus, because they already mentioned that it is a phase 2 campus hiring. So please don't apply, and must check the correct information before applying to any of the off campus drive, okay. Like I uploaded the Accenture hiring today, okay. So how it is a off campus drive for all of you. One of the most important point, just check this link, and when you visit the link, so there is mention that like which branches, which courses are eligible for this opportunity. They even mention that, and there is a job description also, there is all about also, okay. So this is related to the particular hiring and particular points. So if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.